Howdy, bro.
My dude!
Oh, shit. You're intoxicated. Let me roll over.
Take you some NyQuil.
Damn, who touched me in the place?
Can I ask you a question?
Go for it.
What's the place mean?
You're boo sack.
What? Don't drag me. No. My dude, my hat. My hat. I used to sleep with my
Can you see him?
my head
Yeah.
touching the grass.
Yeah. That's a fried ass
I
lot.
think
Come
about
on.
your damn sleeping bag.
Hey, it's shining in my freaking face. Thank you. Thank you, dumbass.
You're videoing this?
No, it's not on video. I'm just shining the light so I can see.
Oh.
Wet my. Oh, that's cold. No, that's cold.
What's he doing?
I slept on a sleeping bag. What is it when you trying to get me grass stains?
Put your boots on and you're gonna come out there.
Drag him out the tent. You
Seriously, put your boots on, bro.
Them's my muddy boots.
I'll put them on for you.
Hell no.
You sound like a pedophile.
Come on there.
You want to touch my feet? Bitch, I'll stick these on you. Don't touch my boots.
I'll kick
Enough
your
fight
ass.
on my boots. What'd you say, boy? I said enough fight on my boots. Okay.
Under the power.
When are we gonna start videoing?
Oh, I thought it was already videoing.
We're not videoing. I done told you we're not
I
videoing.
thought you was I
I
thought
was wondering why you was touching me.
No, I just had the light on.
you were supposed to video me dragging him out the tent.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, is my foot up your butt?
A little bit.
My bad.
He told us me, he looked at me and my feet are down here.
Yeah, I was like,
So what we doing?
Dude.
it's dark.